John, you had your AGM. I was here to witness some of it. Didn't start from the beginning, but from what I could capture, it seemed quite eventful at times. Your thoughts on what you hope to get out of this and what you felt that you've achieved.
I think the AGM was very good. I'm very pleased to see the number of members who turned out. I think we probably had over 50 members here, and they braved some pretty terrible conditions. I think we had excellent dialogue on a number of issues. I thought the dialogue at all times was respectful. People are passionate in their views, which you love and welcome. So from my perspective, I think it was an excellent meeting.
And your thoughts, what do you think when you hit the ground after such a meeting? What is next major thing on your agenda that you think that you have to run with right away?
Well, I think that definitely we have to meet as a new board, because the 9 officer directors were elected tonight. We have to hit the ground running. Obviously, there's a lot that needs to be done. I've earmarked in my mind a number of things over the next 12 months that I want to focus on. So I wouldn't say there's no rest for the wicked, but there's certainly no rest. So we'll gather as a new board, discuss the way forward, obviously taking some of the excellent suggestions from the membership at AGM, and just gather our thoughts to come back bigger and better.